Hello teachers, my name is Kittithut Phoncharean. Today I will present development project in RobotStudio. I am choose operating a picking robot. What is a pick and place robot? Pick and place robots are commonly used in modern manufacturing environments. Pick and place automation speed up and the process of picking up the parts or items and placing them in other location automatically. This process helps to increase the production rates. Pick and place robots handle repetitive tasks while freeing up human workers to focus on more complex work. Packaging pick and place robot used in the packaging process wrap item for an incoming source or designating area and place the items in a packaging container. Parallel manipulator. A parallel manipulator is a mechanical system that uses several computer controller series chains to support a single platform or an effector. Perhaps the best known parallel manipulator in is formed from 6 linear actuators that support a movable base for a device such as flight simulator. This device is called a steward platform or the gold steward platform in the recognition of the engineering who first design and use them. Abstract render of a export platform, still art platform. This is a picture, still other platforms. And a delta robot. A delta robot is a type of a parallel robot that consists of 3 arms connected to universal joints and the base. The key design feature is the use of parallelogram in the arms which maintains the orientations of the end effector by constraints platform that can change the orientation of its end effector. Delta robot have a popular use in picking and packaging in the factory because that can be quite fast, some executing up to 300 picks per minute. IRB 360 or called delta robots. I should a robot IRB 360 handling capacity 3 kilogram and diameter 1130 millimeter. I use this project and require outputs. I want the product box to be placed on a pre-designed sheet of 6 box and arranged accordingly as shown in the figure shown to the picture. If not arranged 3 box and are not organized, will not enter the packaging sections. And constraint the main terms of due to the consider. The main conditions are considered in the same way as for a scala was the weight of the product include the product picking device people. The installation style must be in accordance with the specifications of the spider robot. We call the style or installation style affect the speed of the operation of spider robots, such as the tight angle used to install an robot body. This type of robot is not suitable for applications that need to be installed on a slope forms. The distance the robot can extend its arm and as far as possible. In most cases, if a model can lift more than 3 kilograms, the robot will weigh more than 100 kilograms and requires a very strong installation structure that can be installed in only one which is hanging down. It's called ceiling. Workpiece dig up feature. I I use the box weighs weighs 50 centimeter and height 10 centimeter and the weight 1 kilograms, and I use the container weighs 0.5 kilogram and the height 5 centimeter, and I use weighs 250 centimeter and 200 centimeter. And automation components, I use 2 conveyors and lens. I fix a lens for 4000 centimeter and weight 400 centimeter and height 500 centimeter, and I use Delta Robots 3 and lens 1130 millimeter, and the capacity I shoot 3 kilogram and the type standard, and use 3 webcam 1 multiply 1. Operation sequence. Step 1. Bring the box that have already been pulled into the conveyor one. They can be scattered on arranged in rows. Step 2. After that, place the container on the conveyor to line up in order for the Delta robot to replace the box on the desk. 3. Camera inspect box that follow conveyor 1 and sensor inspect container and conveyor tools. After the object has come within the detection range, Delta Robot 1 will pick a box from conveyor 1 and place it on the conveyor 2. The first robot will pick up 2 boxes, and step 5. Container forward with a conveyor 2. The 2 Delta robot picks up 2 more boxes on the container. Step 6. Container flows with a conveyor 2. The third Delta robot will pick up 2 more boxes on the container to complete the 6th box. And the last step after that, keep looping the works. System. In the input and output section of the section, set in the edit job sections, I have a config welcome to pick up the box from a conveyor 1. When the camera hits the box, the welcome picks up the box and places it where it needs to be. This section we will teach you again. The processing system is as follows. Step 1. Camera detects and conveyor works area 1 pick up the box, and conveyor work area 2 it displays a box, and the conveyor work area 3 pick up, and the conveyor work area 4 place the box, and the conveyor work area 5 pick up the box, and the last conveyor work area 6 place the box, and looping working through the camera that detects. And as for the container, I place a detect on the conveyor to inspect it. the incoming disk and waited for the box to be placed on top of each disk section. We will teach you again. Programming sequence and operations. As for the program, I load the Picking Powerpac and install the Pixmaster. Picking Powerpac is an extension of the RobotStudio, easy to use and easy to understand. It is a program related to the operations of the picking robot. You can install this as on. As use it, I will also teach you how to install it. The Pixmaster that comes with the Powerpac must also be installed. If not installed, the program itself will not work at all. Pixmaster is the processor of the Picking Powerpac, which also works in tandem with the Picking Powerpac. This picture the function of the Picking Powerpac and this window Pixmaster. You can set the different robot and conveyor speed and tune them on the Pixmaster operator panel. Next, output and analyzer. This box are placed on the container of the 6 box and go into the next package system. Next, I will teach you in the program RobotStudio. Step 1, you install the Powerpac. This picking a Powerpac. Install it, and when after that, when you download Powerpac and go to file your downloads Powerpac and extract files, you install app Picking Powerpac and virtual Pixmaster. You set up it to set up app Picking Powerpac and set up virtual Pixmaster. Next, go to the program and step 1, empty station and create. Wait a minute. Okay. Next step, you go to app library and choose the IRB 3060. Oh, sorry, 360, and should range 1130 millimeter and capacity should 3 kilogram. Type standard. Click OK. This Delta robot is appear in the window. And next, set the positions, and set position is, and set position axis set reference local and minus 1600. Apply and close. Next, and go to the virtual controller and choose a form layout. Names, you can create name up to you. I create name a controller 1. Oh, and click next. and use this robot. And next, and go to the edit and option, and use industry network, and this collects this, and go to packaging, and this here, and to conveyor work area, and IO configurator, one IO board device, and click OK, and finish. Okay, go to add-ins, packing, wait a minute, add conveyor, and choose a SC belt conveyor, and length 4,000, when 400, and height 500, and click OK. Okay, you see the conveyor this appear, and set the positions, set positions, set oh, minus 1,000, and set 100, apply, and create two conveyor, the same length, conveyor 2, click OK, and set position again, minus 1,000, and y-axis minus 500, click appear, and just close. Okay, you see two conveyors this appear, and next, add picking controller, and click controller tools, and click OK. Go to the add the picking tool, and picking tool, choose vacuum 1 multiply 1, controller 1 and robot 1, and click OK, and vacuum the install with Delta robot, and next, add the work area, conveyor work area, and then create name conveyor work area 1, controller 1, and this conveyor 1, and choose work area type picks, work area order 1, and click OK. Next, add work area conveyor 2, and choose the work area type press, and click OK, and add a sensor, choose a bachelor scout, and extend to a conveyor 1, and click OK. You see bachelor scout install with the conveyor 1, and add sensor, choose the IO sensor, add sensor, extend the conveyor tool and click OK. You see the pressure sensor installed with the conveyor tool. And next, item container. And size 250, and the label location up. Then 0.5 kilogram. And next, add the box shapes item. Click it. Size 60 millimeter, 10 millimeter, height 10 millimeter, and the weight 1 kilogram. Up. Label location up. Click apply. Okay, it's a close. Next, container. Click a container pattern. And select. Click add item, and select item 1. Click OK. And this layout should count 6. Select it and click add it. And go to the edit layout. Edit follow me. Click OK. And click add the select tool layer. Click apply. Okay. Apply and close. And go to a job and add job. Add item 1, and container pattern 1. What happened? 400. Oh, sorry. I'm forget to set a conveyor 400 and set conveyor once and choose the conveyor work area. This click OK and set conveyor 2 IO figure IO sensor and sensor 1 works area 2 and click OK and go to edit job. Okay, 400 conveyor 400 is appear and click the item detect and click paste and go to container pattern and click detect conveyor 400 IO and click appear. Oh, apply. Click OK and calibrate. Fire calibration. Click OK. Wait a minute. Okay. Next, click the start and quiet start. Click it and wait a minute. Oh, robot cannot run. Okay. This finished. That's all. And set statics. Set conveyor 85 and set conveyor to 50 and tuning robot. Oh, what happened? Work area minus 300 and the 300 conveyor exists. Okay, that's all for the tutorial. How to create works of the Delta robots. These are my projects. And this my project I create 3 delta robots and this run it. Stop and reset and go to my project. My project I use delta 3 machines. Click start, quick start. Go to the operator interface. And this robot one pick up toolbox and delta robot 2 and pick up box toolbox, pick up box toolbox and delta robots and pick up toolbox and complete 6 box. This output. Operator interface space. Okay, that's all for my projects. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.